Good evening, everybody. It's been a while since I've done a cook with me video. It feels like it's been a while since I've done any kind of video, to be honest with you. But life happens. But anyway, so I'm gonna make some herb baked fish. That's what I'm gonna call it. And we're gonna do some, just kind of like some potato wedges, but like French fries. And a vegetable of some kind, I don't know what. But I figure, why not? I'll bring you guys along for the whole ride. So I've already washed and chopped these potatoes. I just need to get some oil on them, and I keep this pretty simple. Some oil and maybe some salt. Yeah, I think maybe that's about it I'll put on them. Is that it? Yep. Okay, let me grab the oil. Just got my avocado oil. And you know what, I did have somebody ask me, I've never noticed a taste to it. I got potato on my finger, hold on. Let's see. I was asked if it tastes like avocado. I personally have never noticed a taste from it, so let's see. Nope, just feels like I have grease in my mouth. I don't taste anything off that. Okay, so I'm going to put some salt on here. And give these a little bit of a toss so the oil coats them. And as you can see, I have my air fryer here beside me. These are just going to go into the air fryer for about probably 20 minutes or so, give or take. So let's turn that on up to 400 for, let's do 15 minutes to start. Okay, so out of curiosity, has anybody tried one of these? What do you think? But I need to move the camera and get my fish ready. So give me a shake of a lamb, I guess you would say. Okay, so I have my fish here. I just got some, what is this, haddock. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on these, not too much, just a little bit. Just because I want the herbs to stick, but I don't want a lot of the oil on here. Okay. So now I'm going to put some salt on. Some nice big chunks. I'm going to add a little bit of dill, because dill goes really nice on fish. And some thyme. Don't be scared to try herbs. Herbs are amazing on things. Sometimes you'll get some really nice combinations, other times you won't get some good ones. It happens. Don't be scared to try, just try. Okay. There's some thyme. A little bit of basil, not too much. Basil goes nice, but it can be overpowering. So just be careful how much basil you use, especially with fish. And then I have some parsley, and I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Okay. And guys, I don't sneeze into my hands. If you sneeze into your hands, you're disgusting. Anyway, I got some parsley. I'm gonna put some of that on there. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot my pepper. Gotta grab my pepper. Okay, a little bit of parsley. And just a touch of black pepper. Not too much. Just a touch. Okay, there we go. Now I have my oven preheating at 375, and I'm gonna bake these for about 20 minutes or so. Just depends. We'll see how long it takes to cook them. I'll let you know in the end, but honestly, cook your fish until it's done, or done to your preference, because here we actually prefer it overcooked. So just so you know, we prefer our fish overcooked. So I'll be right back. Okay, and what fish would be fish without tartar sauce? Because, well, my kids get slightly annoyed with me if I don't make tartar sauce. Okay, so I've got some sweet relish. I'm just gonna plop some of that in there. Got my mayo here. I made me a spatula. Okay, a little bit of salt. A little bit of dill. I say that. Okay, let's do a little bit more than a little bit. Some black pepper. And okay, let's give that a stir. I need my lemon juice. I forgot my lemon juice. Oh wait, no, I'm not making that. I'm making tartar sauce. I don't need lemon juice. Oi. Okay. Oh, that looks like a perfect combination. Oh, yep. Good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge. Actually, I'm just gonna pop that into the fridge. Let those flavors develop. Well, I get the fish cooked. Let's put a little bit more in there. A little more relish never hurt anybody. Okay. So, I'll pretty much be back just to show you the final result, because I think I'm just gonna cook up some green beans to go with all this. Nothing too fancy. So, we'll be right back. Okay, and there we go. All finished up. That's what the fish looks like in the end. There. Oh, this is my plate. Okay, so there you go. Everything turns out lovely and delicious.
But you haven't had it yet, so you don't know if it's good.
We all know it's gonna be good. So, I will see you again soon. Bye.